Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday Market Webcast. Okay, so, basically you had 4 days here of fighting over the 9-day. They took it up over the top on Friday, printed a new all-time high, 41.8675. They hit the profit button at about 3:30, 3:40 in the afternoon, took it down about 20 handles. And it's still hovering in that area now, it's 65, 68, right in there. As we head into today, you see the new weekly pivot. We talked on Friday. I said it wasn't really going to move very far from where it was, considering the highs and lows of the week. So we've gone from 52.33 to 54.42. You see the hourly mid-band here. You see the big ramp job they did. And the bears, they do the precipitous drop on the capital gains tax announcement on Thursday. They hold it down there until they get into the regular session. And almost instantaneously it pops. They can't hold the hourly midband, which we said was really, really important. And then it was off to the races. So Friday we did a grand total of 2 trades. We got long 34 right off the open. And then we got long 56.5 later in the day. And it was 2 trades, 6, 10, and 20 handles each. And it was 24 handle day on 2 trades. It was a very relaxing way to spend a Friday, honestly. But you can see here, I think the Bulls got a little too far out of their lane there for a Friday. I don't think anybody was really willing to hold 86s over the weekend. And they went ahead and knocked it back down. Now, you've seen it give up a little bit here. What I want to see today is this. You got the hourly mid-band, 71.04. Volume weighted average price, 70.25. You see the new weekly pivot. You see daily pivot there at 60. For me, 41.70 is the key today. Does it want to be above 70? Does it want to be below? If it wants to be below, the natural places to get tested today are weekly pivot and the 9-day coming in there, at 50.5. You can start to see on the horizon, or the depths there, the daily midband, the 20-day simple moving average from the daily chart. That's down at the roundy at 4,100. They had a real opportunity last week, we talked about this at the time, to get some resistance, to make some lower lows, and to seek out that mid-band. We're obviously well above that now. So, baby steps. You got to deal with, you got to seal off 70, you got to deal with 60, you got to convert through 50, and then you have to deal with resistance down in the 30 area, support in the 30 area, support around 41.14, and then you start dealing with the roundy. On the upside, bulls want to convert 70, take out the highs from Friday, and make a run at 4,200. So my thought here on a Monday, as we look out over the next 5 days, I don't think I'm really I don't think I'm really going on a limb by saying we're going to hit one of these roundies this week, either 4,100 or 4,200. It would be a great trading week if we hit both. That would be particularly cool. But like I said on Friday, concern yourself with the 10 handles in front of you. That's all you need to concern yourself with. Friday morning, you didn't want to lose hourly midband. They lost it. You buy 34. And then, 56 was a great place to get in on a second chance. It lined up with some of our proprietary stuff that we have in the room. You do that. Don't worry about, and then you roll up your stops accordingly. You don't worry about, what's 100 handles this way or what's 100 handles this way. If it's meant to be 100 handles this way or the other way, well, it's got to start with that next 10 handles, right? Take care of the 10 handles in front of you. Everything else will take care of itself. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.